Apple and pear trees are one of the most popular choices of trees for beginners, and once it gets warmer, the fruit has fully emerged and is ready to be picked. However, where harvests are, the codling moth isn't far behind. Adult codling moths lay their eggs on apple and pear trees, and after hatching, caterpillars burrow into the fruit, making it rotten and inedible. Many gardeners are looking for a quick and easy solution to prevent their fruit from being ruined by these pests. Look no further with Andermatt's codling moth trap, a simple and effective solution that catches and kills codling moths. A pheromone trap free of pesticides, it imitates a scent produced by female moths to attract a male mate to lure the moths to the trap. It causes them to be stuck on the glue on the sticky insert. This prevents breeding and egg laying, stopping the hatching of maggots and caterpillars, and you can see the results on the trap. One of these traps will cover an area of up to 5 average sized trees within a range of 15 metres. To begin, construct the trap as shown by unfolding it and attaching the hanger, and place one pheromone lure in the middle of the sticky insert. Next, place the sticky insert with the sticky side facing upwards inside the trap. Finally, hang the trap from a tree branch at head height in a tree the direction the wind normally blows from, and you're all set! Continue to check the trap weekly for moths, as they should be removed if high volumes of them are caught to make space for more to be trapped. After 6 weeks, replace both the sticky insert and the pheromone lure with the replacement in the pack. Andermatt recommends you set up this trap from May to September, when adults are active. This pack contains everything needed to monitor codling moths through one growing season: 2 sticky traps and 2 pheromone lures that each last 6 weeks. This trap can be used for years, with additional refills. Order your trap today with free next day delivery now at andermattgarden.co.uk.